Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the hostArmada service. hostArmada is an incredible professional service designed to help business owners and entrepreneurs thrive in their respective industries. It's a comprehensive package that encompasses marketing strategies, customer support, and business development services all in one place. Their team of experts is always ready to assist you with any challenges you might face, ensuring your business grows to its fullest potential. They provide a range of services, including web design and development, branding, social media management, SEO optimization, and so much more. So, if you're looking to take your business to new heights or want to enhance your online presence, consider hostArmada as your go-to service provider. With their expertise and customized solutions tailored to your needs, you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Until next time, keep hustling and dreaming big. Ing.